Phrasal verbs are an essential part of the English language, especially in everyday conversations. They might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. Once you get the hang of them, you'll sound more natural and fluent. Essentially, a phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and another word, often a preposition or an adverb. This combination creates a new meaning that's different from the individual words. For example, look up doesn't simply mean to look upwards. It means to search for information, as in I need to look up the meaning of this word. Why are phrasal verbs so important? Well, they're incredibly common in spoken English. Using them correctly can make your conversations smoother and help you understand native speakers better. Imagine trying to follow a conversation where someone says, "I'll call you back later," without knowing that callback means to return a phone call. It would be confusing, right? Let's look at some common phrasal verbs that you're likely to encounter in everyday conversations. Get up is a great example. It means to rise from bed, as in, I get up early every morning. Another common one is calm down, which means to relax after being upset or angry. Imagine a friend saying, "Calm down, it's not a big deal." You instantly understand they're trying to help you relax. Give away is another useful phrasal verb that means to donate or give something for free. You might say, "I'm giving away some of my old clothes to charity." Finally, put up with means to tolerate something unpleasant or annoying. For instance, "I can't put up with this noise any longer." Now, let's explore some slightly more advanced phrasal verbs with clear examples to solidify your understanding. Consider the phrasal verb back up. It means to support someone, often in an argument or difficult situation. For example, you might say, "My friend backed me up during the meeting when I disagreed with my boss." Next, we have breakdown, which can have both literal and figurative meanings. It can mean to stop working, as in my car broke down on the highway. Figuratively, it can mean to lose control emotionally, like he broke down in tears after hearing the news. Section 4. Deconstructing phrasal verbs, the structure. Now that you've seen some phrasal verbs in action, let's break down their structure. A typical phrasal verb consists of two parts, a verb and a particle. The verb is the action word, like look, call, or give. The particle is usually a preposition, like up, down, or away, or an adverb, like back or off. The particle changes the meaning of the verb, so look up has a different meaning than look down or look after. Sometimes the meaning is obvious from the individual words, like stand up, but often, the meaning of the phrasal verb is completely different from the meanings of the verb and particle on their own. That's what makes them tricky but also fascinating.